All right, hey guys, this is going to be a quick video just to show you a few of the search features within Apex. There's two primary ones, this find target / campaign and then the lookup search terms. So this find target and campaign is mostly used when you're on the bid override table and you want to quickly hop over and find that target within your bulk sheet. So basically what you need to do is just click on the column C here for any target. It also works with campaigns. And then just come up here and click this find target campaign button. And what it's going to do, it's going to basically look for this unique field on your bulk sheet, which you can see there. It just automatically kind of highlights the whole row. Sometimes you got to scroll down a little bit, but that is how you can quickly find them. And then in similar capacity, if you're like on the search term inspector and you've got a campaign name like I have here, you can do the same thing. So basically any sheet that has either like a target or a campaign, you can kind of execute that search function. So you can see it jumps me to that campaign. Granted, it was a campaign, not a target on that last sheet. So that's why I went to the campaign row. But then you can obviously see kind of all the target data and everything underneath it. So that can be really powerful, just bouncing back and forth. And then the other one is specifically for the search term inspector tool. Let's say you find a target that's in a research campaign. That's going to be kind of your normal operation. So say I've got this one that's got 12 orders. It's a broad campaign. So I know that this term here is not what people are actually searching for, and you're just curious, you want to look on the search term inspector tool to find which specific search terms they're searching for that accounts for these 12 orders. Well, you can go up there and just click this lookup search terms, and if there's any that are found, so there'd have to be orders typically for these to be located, but if there's any found, it's going to pre-filter your targeting column over here you see for that keyword. And then you see here's all the broad match types. We currently have it to where it'll keep other match types unfiltered as well. So if you wanted to see just for that broad one, you would have to then just select the exact match or deselect the exact match there to just show the broad. But you get the point. I mean, this is where all of the search terms now for that specific target are showing up. Now you can see here, I've just got dummy data in here, but for broad, you could potentially have words on the end, words on the beginning, or it could be related keywords. So broad's pretty open, but that's just a quick way you can, again, kind of get some more insights on what customers are currently searching for. And then from there, you can use the Flex tool to, if you want to create new campaigns. Soon we'll have kind of an inline editor as well that you can create campaigns right within Apex. But anyway, I just wanted to illustrate those two search functions that can be incredibly powerful for just navigating around the system efficiently. So hopefully that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.